Today we have left Dirang in West Kameng district and we are headed towards Tawang, which is a district by itself. We will be crossing the Sela Pass today. Heavy rains in September and I think even till October has caused significant damage. Landslides and slush on the road. Repair work is ongoing. This road is critical for residents as well as for the Indian Army. It goes to Tawang and then on towards the Tibet or the China border.
This region witnessed several battles during the Indo-China War of 1962, and there are war memorials commemorating these spots.
This is in memory of the Battle of 18th November 1962, which was fought at this very place.
After crossing the war memorial, a steady climb takes us to Baisakhi, which is an army cantonment.
Baisakhi, at about 11,500 feet, has rest stops and small cafes. The newly constructed Sela tunnel has recently been opened to the public. We have decided to take the Sela Pass in our drive towards Tawang. On our way back, we plan to take the tunnel. How pretty our country is.
Seriously. At this altitude, there are coniferous trees all around, and with the snow on them, it looks very Christmassy. Across the valley are forested slopes with a dusting of snow on them.
Welcome to Sela Pass.
After entering Tawang district, our first stop is Sela Lake. We would have missed this if we had taken the tunnel today. This is a glacial lake in two parts. We're at the end of November now, and the surface of the lake is just starting to freeze.
The mountain pass and the lake are named after Sela, one of two Monpa sisters, Sela and Nura. During the 1962 war, Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rathore single-handedly held the Chinese forces for about 72 hours in this region. As per the local legend, Sela and Nura provided Jaswant Singh with food and helped him survive the 72 hours. All three lost their lives during the war. After a simple but very tasty lunch, we took the road towards Nuranang waterfalls. These waterfalls are named after Nura, Sela's sister. Parking is limited, but the falls are a must-watch.
These falls flow into the Nuranang river, which is a tributary of the Tawang river.
The sun sets very early here, around 3:30, quarter to 4 in the afternoon. Driving in the afternoon can get difficult because of the blinding sun in your eyes.
We reached Tawang and we are staying at a set-in homestay, which is a little outside the city. It's very, very cozy. It's very cold in Tawang. As you can see, there's a heater on, and still I have all this that I'm wearing. But it's a very pretty and cozy place.
Headed for Zemithang today. It's a valley northwest of Tawang. Heard that it's very beautiful, not very crowded, not crowded at all in fact. Zemithang is in the northwest corner of Arunachal Pradesh. There are two roads from Tawang. We have decided to take the western route via Lumla. We are driving back towards Dirang, that is the way we came from, And after about 7 kilometers from Tawang, we need to take a sharp right turn towards Lumla.
सर लुमला जाने का रास्ता है। थैंक यू।
The road is quite narrow, but once outside town limits, it's completely devoid of traffic and is very, very beautiful.
We passed quaint little villages with flower pots outside every house and prayer wheels at either end of the village.
The variation in vegetation is very surprising. We even saw some ferns on the roadside.
Forest Fire Protection Watchtower.
There is a petrol and diesel outlet just outside Lumla town. We didn't enter the town, we drove past it and we could see the Tara Devi statue from far. Hey, look there to your left. Just behind me are the beautiful BTK waterfalls. We are about 15 kilometers away from Zemithang village. The water flows into the Nyang Chu, or river, which is the heart of Zemithang Valley. The structures on the left are prayer wheels, powered by mountain streams. We found this quite interesting.
We could hear water gushing behind this rock face, but nothing was visible. We parked the car and walked back to investigate and found this hidden waterfall.
Driving along the river, we reached Gorsham. This place has a monastery which was built around 12th century AD. It is one of the oldest monasteries in the region. We have reached Zemithang and found this wonderful homestay, Pangchen Homestay. It's actually surrounded by mountains on all sides. Look at the color of the sky. We are at Sela Pass.